This is Wilson climbing climbing the coral mountains.
Let's go, Wilson.
Whoa.
See? There's Aunt Barb, huh? She's
I'm coming. Ooh. But they built stairs.
Yeah, there were no stairs here the last
Yeah.
time.
No.
There's drawings on the wall down there from ancient Chamorros from thousands of years ago.
There's some up here too.
Really?
Yeah. I don't remember where, but we saw them before.
Maybe over there, right over here, huh? The red? Yeah. That's one for sure. There's drawings down there, thousands of years old. Yeah, this is where they used to put the dead people. Calavera means, Calavera in Spanish means something about the dead.
What do you talk about? Yes.
It was used by the ancient Chamorros to, this is where they buried all the people way back in. They put all their dead people in here and let them rot.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then the Spanish used it as a jail too. They kept Chamorro prisoners down here until they died.
Yucky? Did you say yucky?
It's the cave, Wilson. Well, the last time we were here, there was nothing in here. No,
Are they gonna build this down?
I'd like to walk down there, but they don't want people going in anymore.